Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain the Ask a Question chat action. Chatbots use a combination of up to 7 chat actions, including Ask a Question. This action is useful for learning more about the user and determining how to solve their problem. Your question can be static, or use dynamic content with the expression builder. Learn more about this with our knowledge-based content. A key feature of the Ask a Question chat action is quick replies. When you configure these, the end user is able to choose from them in the chat window or type their own response. Additionally, you can prevent the user from typing anything by configuring your action only to display quick replies. Quick replies automatically create an if-then action after the Ask a Question field. This creates a branch for each answer. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.